Hello, and thank you for taking my classes again. I started using heart rate monitors in my class, and I have students that also know how to set this up, but I did want to provide you with a screen so that I could walk you through exactly what's going on. Early in the morning, uh, in order to connect to the Wi-Fi, you'll have to come down to here. I do connect to the Poway Unified School District guests, and so if you click connect on that, it'll actually pop up a web browser. All of my sign-in credentials are saved in there. Simply push connect and it'll get you set up on the internet. After that is done, then we come down here to this icon. You can double click that. If there's an update or anything like that, you can just save it for later. But it should coming back. There it is. So my username Seth Wren should be in there. The password for it is a little tricky. It is 4314 capital A PACHE and then exclamation point. And that'll be in your subnotes as well. But if you log into that, just takes a little moment to boot up. These heart rate monitors are how I take attendance as well. The students have them assigned to them by number. And so when everyone is picked up, usually 10 minutes into the period, you can go ahead and just see who has not picked theirs up, and any left in should be considered absent. So I apologize. Fawns are going to be my first period. I try making it a little bit fun and having them have season themed names. So fawns are first period. Rabbits, or sorry, butterflies are my fourth period, and then rabbits are my fifth period. You don't need to worry about the wrestlers at all. John Myers will be down. He'll take care of them. You simply need to submit attendance. But that's that. And then on Thursday, we're going to be doing the gut check, 20 meter. And then there should be another one in here, which is not there yet, but it'll be 1 mile run, timed 1 mile. And that'll be on Friday if you happen to have my classes again. But once you have those, oh, I'm sorry, you can't see it right now. Just off of here, I can move it over. There we go. Up here, it'll say next, and then you'll click that. It's not showing up right now because I don't have the pad reader in here. My students will take care of that though. You'll click next, and it'll pop up the screen, and then that'll be the screen where students check out. When they check back in, you simply press next, and it'll read return up top. And then when everyone's returned in, you'll click next, save, um, and then that'll be it, and it'll come back to this screen. So after you save it, it'll come back to this screen, and then you can choose whichever period you're going to need to do it again. So I hope this works out really well for you. If it all goes to heck in a handbasket, don't worry about it. Just have my students run. They're really good kids. Unfortunately, I'll be on a plane during the time that you're in class, and I won't be able to answer my phone. But you know, as long as they're up and moving, doing stuff, you should be team teaching most of the time with the other teachers, and they should be able to take care of you as well. So thanks again for taking my classes, and I hope this helps.